welcome to another edition of the Teaching Lady. Today we're talking about one of my favorite tools, the sawzall. Even sounds scary. Listen, this tool, okay, can do some damage. You got to be careful with this thing. It can do some damage. This thing cuts wood. It cuts metal. It will even trim trees. Now, we're not talking about your big honking trees that are this big around. I'm talking about I can cut this size tree limb with this tool right here. Now, how would it cut? Well, I need a blade. So, the wonderful thing about it, this happens to be a pruning blade, and you can tell by the teeth on this thing. You don't want to get this thing, you don't want to go off the rails with this deal because it will tear you up. But, so we've got a pruning blade. We have one made for wood and nails. And you know, these blades always tell you what they're for, all right? Just to show you, so that says wood and nails. So, to give you an example, I was replacing fence a couple of weeks ago, and the screw head, the head on the screw was stripped out, which means that no bit that goes in there is going to be able to take that screw out, okay? So my only option to get that fence loose from the post was to cut it. So one of these would work well because I'm cutting into wood and metal, so wood metal. And then if I'm just cutting metal, like pipe, conduit, this works well. It says it's a metal blade, okay? Oh, wrong way. So that's 6-inch medium metal. And it gives you the, if you can see it there, all right, and I'm not promoting any brand, it's just what I pick up. These are on sale, so I picked them up, and I got a free carrying case. Yeah, woohoo! Let me show you. Woo, people get excited over purses. I get excited over tools and carrying cases for the blades. Awesome. That was part of the freebie. All right, so to put this in, you go, well, how do I get this in here? Okay, on mine, there is a lever right here that lifts up, okay, which opens the channel, and I stick this in the channel. I gotta do it where I can see it, all right? And then I close it down, and now it doesn't come out. When I lift this, it comes out. When I put it in, I close it, it stays. Yeah. All right, for metal. I hold it and I cut, okay? And I can cut, and I can cut, and I can cut if I need to, all right? So that's the metal one. If I'm gonna prune a tree, same thing. I'm just gonna stick it in the spot, and there it is, okay? Do not use this on anything but what it's supposed to be used on, all right? Very powerful. This one's actually battery operated also, okay? So you've got a battery. When you get this, make sure you get it with the battery and the charger, regardless of what brand you buy. I'm not pushing any brands. This just happens to be the particular brand I use. I like the green color personally. It's more girly than the other ones. But yeah, one of my favorite tools that I wish I'd have had 15 years ago, because this thing has saved me so much time, especially when it comes to hand sawing, which I don't do anymore, because I just don't have the time to hand saw, and my poor arm gets tired. My poor arm gets tired going back and forth like this, and I haven't mastered doing the left hand, and so, you know, if I build this muscle up over here and not this one, I'm gonna fall over because I'm gonna be uneven. Bad joke, I know. All right, so that is the sawzall. Other people call it I think a reciprocating saw. I'm not sure, but yeah, nice. Well, you take care. If you like these videos, learning about tools, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Teaching Lady, and you have a great day.